Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new animation cell to your animation on the Clip Studio Paint application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Create an animation canvas, click to the paper icon on the left side on the screen, ok, and go to the animation toolbar and click to the square icon next to the new animation folder option. New animation cell, and tab this and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.